How to link debit card or credit card to your PayPal account. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link your debit card to your PayPal account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. You can also link your debit or credit card using your PayPal application from your device, but for today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do it through the website. At the top search bar, type in PayPal, then you will be able to see the first search result of PayPal. Tap onto it. Make sure that you are logged into your specific PayPal account. At the screen below, you will see Cards option, and here you will also see Link a Card. Tap onto it. Here, simply type in your credit card or debit card number. Once done, select the card type. Once you do so, write in your expiration date, your card security code, and your billing address. Once done, tap on Link Card at the bottom page. And just like so, this is how you can link your card to your account. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload. And just like so, this is how you can do it.